When anybody in a position like a VC, they're responsible. They're responsible for the university where lakhs of children's future are decided. And if you are going and sitting in these RSS meeting which has a particular ideology and does not groom any scientific temperament, what message are you sending to the students? That either you follow this ideology or we will take care of you during your academic year. Is that the message they are sending? And what is so special? What is it that they are teaching? Does RSS have any scientific temperament? These are the people who are against the constitution. Tell me one scientific research paper that the RSS has published. I don't even know why teachers or your VCs should attend these things. Please attend good programs. Attend programs where you will learn, where you can transfer that knowledge to children. Be progressive, don't be regressive.
And sir, people expect to.
No, now with the end of the war, I'm hopeful that the central government comes to its senses, and when the barrel price increased, they increase the prices of fuel here, petrol, diesel here. Now that it has fallen down, they should pass the benefit back to the people, not to PSUs, not to private companies.
अल्ताइबा स्कूल गुलबर्गा का मशहूर इदारा जहां क्वालिफाइड टीचर्स, स्मार्ट क्लासेस, लाइब्रेरी, साइंस और स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड के साथ दीन और दुनिया दोनों की बेहतरीन तालीम दी जाती है।
LKG से 10th तक एडमिशन्स ओपन है। आज ही विजिट करें और अपने बच्चों का एडमिशन करवाएं।